It's a good idea to put a sign on the equipment saying, do not touch, do not power up. Basic things like opening up cabinet doors, removing maybe wet contents from inside the equipment will help to minimize damage and minimize problems down the road. Uh, Things as basic as turning on your air conditioning if the air conditioning system has not been affected to help to remove some of the humidity from the environment, from inside the environment, nothing but helpful. And then in other situations, like let's say a smoke loss, where there's been a fire and you have some smoke that's on the equipment, again, disconnecting power, ensuring nobody turns anything on. We don't want anybody to get shocked or be hurt from this equipment, making sure it's not turned on. Because believe it or not, when something's wet, if it's not under power, it's not that big of a problem. Water is an integral part of the manufacturing process. It's really when you take this equipment that's wet and you introduce power to it, that's where a big problem occurs, because then you have shorting that could occur because you've got water, which is now really shorting between a ground plane and a power plane. Or in situations where there's smoke, by turning something on, also you could have shorting, but you're also going to turn on fans that will draw smoke in and bring smoke and contamination further inside of equipment. So then you're going to elevate the problem from just being maybe a situation where there's contamination outside equipment to now being drawn into it, complicating the cleaning process and complicating the recovery process. So we like to provide really some hands-on, straightforward sense on here's things you could do, here's things you don't want to do. And then, of course, we really work hard to dispatch our engineers to come out to the site when necessary, perform evaluations, provide direction to both the insured and to the adjuster, and we help to oversee that technology part of the claim.